Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert a HEIC file into a JPEG file in a few easy steps. So you'll first need to head over to your folder and locate your HEIC file. So as you can see here, this is my HEIC file, and to convert this to a JPEG, the first method we can try is just simply by renaming the file. So the first thing you'll need to do is come over to View in your folder, come over to Show and select File Name Extensions. Now you should be able to see the extension at the end like I can, the .heic, and all we're going to do is just double click on this text down here, and we're going to rename this to .jpg and hit enter. Now you will get this warning message pop up, but we can just go ahead and select yes to this. And as you can see, this has now been converted into a JPEG. So if I just right click on this and come into properties, you can see that the type of file is actually now converted into a JPEG automatically. Now, for some of you that won't work, that's absolutely fine. There is one more method of doing this, and that's to head over to an internet browser, come over to a search engine like Google, and you're just going to type in HEIC to JPEG and hit enter. Then come over to this top search result here, this HEIC to JPEG.com. And we're simply going to upload our HEIC file in this folder here. So just click this add button, locate the file that you want to convert. So for me, it's this HEIC one. I'm going to double click on this, and this will go ahead and automatically start uploading. Now you can drag 5 photos at once within this tool. So if you did want to convert more than one photo, you can do that in here too. And once it's finished downloading, we have a couple of options. We can either download this directly as a JPEG down here just by clicking this download button, or instead we can download it as a zip file just by pressing download one photo at the top here. And then if we come over to our zip file, you can see we have our photo now converted to a JPEG. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you can convert a HEIC file into a JPEG. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.